Today we're gonna see how to open superannuation account on Commonwealth Bank. Firstly, visit the Commonwealth Bank or Colonial First State website and explore different superannuation options such as for first choice, wholesale super, or essential super. Go to Colonial First State and apply online. Choose a superannuation product that fits your needs. Click Apply Now and follow the instructions. Provide your personal details such as full name, date of birth, tax file number, residential address, and employment details. Visit a Commonwealth Bank branch and speak with your financial consultant. Bring necessary identification and tax file number. Link your employer contributions by providing them with your super fund details. Make voluntary contribution via NetBank or roll over existing super from another fund. Your monitor is your superannuation through NetBank or Colonial First State online portal. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.